North Korea fired a ballistic missile towards the sea off its east coast on Sunday, ahead of planned military drills by South Korean and U.S. forces involving an aircraft carrier and a visit to the region by U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris. South Korea's military said it was a single, short-range ballistic missile fired from near the North Pyongyang province just before 7 a.m. local time and flew about 600 km at an altitude of 60 km and a speed of Mach 5. South Korea's National Security Council held an emergency meeting to discuss response measures and condemned the launch as an apparent violation of the UN Security Council resolutions and an unjustifiable act of provocation. Many of the short-range missiles tested by North Korea in recent years have been designed to evade missile defenses by maneuvering during flight and flying on a lower, depressed trajectory, experts have said. The launch comes after the arrival of the nuclear-powered American aircraft carrier USS Ronald Reagan in South Korea to participate in joint drills with South Korean forces for 4 days from September 26 to 29. And ahead of a planned visit to Seoul this week by Harris.